There is a new agency in town. New name, but same great service.
Hi there. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ben Washington. I am the principal agent with Conrad Health Agency. I would like to say there's a new agency in town, but I've been helping people for the last 8 years decomplicate Medicare and helping people find health insurance to help to protect their family. You might ask the question, what makes you so different? First, we are here to serve. Secondly, in the time you need the most when life happens. Thirdly, with products that protect your savings. Why do I need more insurance? Extra costs not covered by your medical insurance. Most forms of private insurance will not pay for non-medical care, like custodial care, for the non-medical bills that you incur while you're ill. Your out-of-pocket costs for ambulance, which in Medicare will only pay for transfers that are for emergencies. Also, lodging that you may incur when seeking medical treatment from away from your home, or for help pay for family travel expenses. And lastly, for experimental treatments or procedures that's not covered by your medical plan. Why you need more insurance? Insurance don't travel when you lose your job
Or pay for the extra costs, also so you don't have to worry.
At Conrad Health Agency, you are number one. That is why we carry insurance like life insurance, cancer insurance, and disability insurance that helps protect your paycheck, as well as health insurance.
And critical illness insurance.
We know that these insurance help you to safeguard your future by saving you money.
We try to make every experience easy, reliable, and personal in ways our customers find proactive and compassionate, which means we put ourselves in our customer place and treat every customer as our own family member.
Why Conrad Health Agency? We can save you money, we have great services, and because we are appointed with multiple carriers, we don't have to push you into one plan. We can find a plan that will meet your needs and budget. To learn more, we are just one call away. And we are online as well. We are on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp. Just go to www.conradhealthagency.com or call 433-5754.